like the rainbow side. It's like so pretty, but I tried to put this orange and put the green, but hey again, it's your Mia and I'm back on another video. Today, I'm going to build this birdhouse kit. And I'm going to be opening, so let's get started. I found these, so yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the paint. It's like every single color. This is the, yeah, it still comes with blue. You guys, that's what I said to myself when I went to bed. And it comes with a string. So it's a lot, but I'm going to use this. So you guys, I'm only doing one birdhouse. So comment down below if you guys want me to do the other birdhouse. And take off the rubber band. I hope like rubber. Okay, I took it off. Now I'm going to put this here and I'm going to stick it like what I need to put. I'll take this. No. Yeah, I need this. So you guys, I'm going to stick this into it. Stick for the bird's nest. Okay, I'm going to leave it here to dry. I'm going to leave this part dry. Hey, I got a paper. Wait, okay. So you guys, I'm going to leave this part dry and I will stick the other part and then I'll restart what I'm doing. Just put a little, okay. You can see the white thing, that's the glue. So finally I did it, you guys. So I will wait, do it in this one? So I'm going to take this and glue it. Other side. Oh my gosh, you guys! I never made a birdhouse before. This is my first time making a birdhouse. So comment down below which color I'm going to pick. So if any of you guys say black, that's not my favorite color. Okay. So I'm gonna let this glue dry for a minute, and then I'll do like a jumping. Yeah, I'm gonna like. Well, I'm not gonna use this brush again, but I got another one. You see, with no glue. So I'm gonna put glue somewhere. A birdhouse, like if like try to do a birdhouse very good and let the part dry. If you want to get it locked, get it. Because I got more to do. Shakalaka. So I'm gonna hurry up with this glue for this part. I don't have enough glue on it. So I'm gonna, glue this part. No. Okay. I'm gonna get this part and glue it. But then I'll do this brush. Wow. It's really okay. I love you like a thunder. I stick the part in and on this other end. So you guys, I'm gonna put this thing. So I'm gonna flip it like this and put it in. Then put it right here. All done. Okay, now I'm going to glue it here. Here. Need to wait for it to this. So I'm gonna wait for it to like dry. My birdhouse. Now I'm gonna paint it. So I'm going to pick this purple one. Wait, I'm looking here. So I picked this purple one. Look at it. I did it. Yeah. Paint it again. Here. Now I'm going to use the big brush. I will pick this one, open. Wow, many possible. So I'm going to paint this side. So I didn't need no more help. Mix. And look at the blue color. It looks so pretty. This edge to dip. Edge. Act like it's blue, whatever it comes. Like, put it like this. And here. Right here in the top. You guys can see the blue color. Well, I can show you when I'm finished. And this side. Ew, I tell you. Very. So look at the dark. I don't need it. So I'm gonna. Okay. But I'm excited about school, and I miss my feet. My dresses are shiny. I think this is the red or peach. I don't know. But I'm so happy. I'm gonna paint the back. So with this, so you guys see how I'm painting. See, it looks like a peach, you guys. But no, it looks like a red color. Do it. Sorry. It'll come off. I'm dreaming to paint. Like I never paint before. But this is my second time or first time painting. Oh yeah, it's my second time painting. Because last time I had it a sleepover, I paint with these kind of colors and I have no black, but it was only one. And then I never paint in my life. If you want to sing, sing it to everything. So let me like pop open it. Whoa, look at it. It looks like a brownish, palish. So I'm going to use this to paint. So I need one here to act like it's doo-doo. Ooh. And I need to make a oops. I'm gonna put a toilet side and then I'm gonna paint the inside. This paint already dry, but it needs some more. I'm just gonna let it dry. And I'm gonna use this. The big inside is a good side. I don't know what it's doing. But they're not gonna like that. Around here. And here. See? That clock. So I'm gonna put, wow, let's see. I'm gonna put other rainbows art color. This one. This side. A line here. for the last part, we will see a rainbow. Now dip. So the water turns brown. Maybe paints can dry. Get it? Because the paint can dry. Okay, you got it. So this one done. But I'm going to put this peach color. Oh my god, it's you. No, I can use the pink on pink. Yeah. So I'm finished, and let's see the results. But let me take this thing and twist it. This is the blue side, but they're not dry yet. And look at the other side. And look at the back, the rainbow side. It's like so pretty. But I tried to put this orange and put the green, but the rainbow thing, like, is right here. See here, you see the rainbow, and it looks good. So please, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell, and peace!